Hi guys, how are you? It's Ivy from Ivy Pink Maid and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about converting a sublimation printer. I have an Epson 2760 that we're going to be converting, talking about sublimation inks, and I'm going to be using these two right here to convert my printer. So let's go and get started. Hi guys, it's Ivy from Ivy Pink Maid, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Epson Ecotank 2760 into sublimation printer using Woolcock sublimation inks. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, you're going to need some sublimation ink. I'm using this one from Woolcock. I will add links below. They are both refill inks, but one is going to be easier to put than the other. The regular Epson inks come in a cartridge just like this, and all you have to do is unscrew it and pop it into the ink tank. So with the Woolcock inks, there's two different kinds of Woolcock inks. So if you use this refill ink with this cartridge, you're gonna have to empty it out and let it dry. So you would use this ink, that's $18.99, to refill the empty bottles that came originally with your printer. So this is the second Woolcock refill ink option, and they come in a bottle that's ready to go. They are very similar to the refills that normally come with the Epson. I find this refill a lot easier to use, especially for a beginner, because all you have to do is unscrew the cap and then you're ready to go. You don't have to transfer anything or wash anything out. And you can just purchase your next one and refill this bottle. So it's really easy to fill up the tank. All you have to do is unscrew the bottle and open up the ink tank, and it's really clear to see which ink belongs where, because it's color coded, but also on the front it says black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. So all you have to do is match up the hole and in the center right there and press firmly, and you're going to hear kind of like a lock, and that's when you know that it's locked in place. And then when you push down, the ink will just fill up, and it fills up pretty quickly actually. This is a little bit sped up. So you just lift it up. Once you're done, put the cap back on. You don't have to finish the entire ink, although one bottle does fill up the entire tank if your tank is empty. Once we filled up the tank, now I'm going to use sublimation paper, also by Woolcock, so that we can test out the ink and the quality and make sure everything is okay. I keep my sublimation paper on its original packaging and also inside a document holder, because I want to make sure that I protect the paper from the lint and also light. So this Epson 2760 does not have a covered paper tray, so I take the paper out each time and feed it individually, and it feeds through the rear feed right here. And so that's what I do, just to protect the paper, to make sure that there's no lint and stuff like that. So you want to print on the white side of the Woolcock paper. And you can see how that side over there is pink and this one's white, so then you're just going to put it on the rear tray and then test it out. This is looking pretty good. I did a color, even though it's black, because it has gray. So I did a full color and best quality, and this is what it looks like. And now follow me for part 2. I'm going to show you how to press an enamel mug using a tumbler heat press.